In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of all accounts in Zoom. We'll start this task by guiding you to locate a feature that's quite crucial for managing your sessions and maintaining your privacy. More importantly, this is a helpful technique if you're using a shared device or have simply logged into Zoom from multiple devices and want to ensure all are logged out securely. Here's how you do it. Firstly, you'll want to open the Zoom application on your device. Once you're in, take a moment to look towards the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find an icon that represents your profile. It might be your profile picture if you've set one, or just a placeholder image if not. Moving your cursor to this area is the next step, ensuring that you're ready to navigate without clicking anything just yet. Now, with your cursor hovering over your profile icon, it's important to catch a glance at the drop-down menu that will appear. You'll see a list populated with several options related to your profile and account settings. At this stage, you want to focus your attention so that you're alerted and aware of what comes next. Looking closely, you will notice an option that reads Sign Out. However, hold off on clicking immediately. It's important to just carefully guide your cursor over this option to reveal further selections. What you're aiming for here is to make sure that you are ready to execute the following and final step accurately. With precision, you'll now see beneath the standard Sign Out option an alternative that allows you to sign out of all accounts. This is the option that will log you out across all devices where you might be signed into Zoom. It's an efficient way to make sure your account remains secure, especially if you have previously signed in on a shared or public device. Go ahead and click on Sign Out of All Accounts. As you click this option, Zoom will log you out across all sessions. It's an effective technique in safeguarding your activity and privacy. You might experience a momentary pause as Zoom processes this command, but it will soon confirm that you are successfully signed out. Taking this step significantly enhances your control over your Zoom activity, ensuring that you stay in charge of where your account is active. And, as a quick tip, regularly updating your login details and frequently signing out of all devices can promote better security for your online activities. So there you have it, a simple yet necessary action that can be executed effortlessly. Now you're ready to manage where your Zoom account is active with greater confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay secure and keep exploring.